Hello, children. Today we are going to focus on classified advertisement. Classified advertisement is there for your monthly test and it is very important in the board examination. The question will be asked in short composition for 4 marks. So let us study this classified advertisement once again. So we are going to revise very important points today. So in the case of classified advertisement, you have to use a box. There is no need of any design or capital letters. Language has to be factual. No blocks means no block letters. Simple and formal and to the point, the language has to be there. Comprehensive, it must leave out no important matter. So it should be such a matter that whatever you want to convey, you should be able to convey through classified advertisement. Never be too lengthy, confined to the word limit. Usually the word limit will be 50 words in the case of classified advertisement, and you have to write within that word limit. Now let's see marking scheme. Format, that suitable heading, classification, that will be 1 mark. Remember, you can't use your own heading there. Like if it's a vacancy, you have to use situation vacant. If somebody is seeking for a job, you have to write situation wanted. Somebody wants to let out his flat, then you can write to let or for hire, for rent, you can write like that. So what you find in the classified page of the newspaper, that suitable heading you should write for classified advertisement. So there is no scope for your creativity there. The language has to be very factual. Content, very relevant content. Then expression. Now in the case of expression, it will be grammatical accuracy, then spelling mistakes and selection of words that will carry the weightage, and that will be for 1 mark. Then remember here the important points that to be followed in the case of classified advertisement. Clearly state the category, that is for sale, to let. So the heading should be very clear when you are writing classified advertisement. Give all necessary details in points using commas. So there is no need of any sentence there. You have to write in phrases, in points. Give contact, address, name and telephone number. Put the matter in a box. At the end what you do, whatever you are writing, put it in a box. Now what kind of classified advertisements are important from the examination point of view? Situation vacant or wanted. So if there is a vacancy, that's a situation vacant. If somebody is seeking for a job, that's a situation wanted. Lost and found, something you are lost. You can always advertise in the newspaper. Then sell and purchase. You want to purchase something, you want to sell your old car, you can give that kind of advertisement in the newspaper. Accommodation wanted, you want accommodation in a particular area in city, you can always advertise. Educational services, placement services, matrimonial, too late, tuitions, packers and movers, kennel, travels and tours, public appeal. These are all kinds of classified advertisements. But remember, all these you can study, but you focus on very important ones like situation vacant, lost and found, sale and purchase, too late. So these are some of them which are very important. Now the classified page in the newspaper will look like this. If you are referring the newspaper, go through the classified advertisement page. There you will get some ideas because you will learn how to draft classified advertisement like situation vacant, job wanted. You can see all these headings here. Plot for sale. You can make use of these headings when you are drafting classified advertisement. Too late, somebody wants to hire something, so he wants to give it on hire. So to let, so land for sale, he wants to sell the land. So house for sale, lost, found. You will find all these kind of advertisements in the newspaper. Now here let's see some of the samples here. Situation vacant, this is a very important one. This you will find in the newspaper. You can just go through this advertisement. Here you are personal assistant to GM ABC Metal Tools Company Mumbai. Your general manager has asked you to draft a classified advertisement. So you can see this example. So here how it is written, situation vacant, that is the heading, and then that is drafted, that you can find there in the phrases. Required two well qualified mechanical engineers with a minimum experience of 5 years. After that, what is a comma is there. Remuneration commensurate with the performance and output of the candidate. Send the curriculum vitae within 7 days to the personal manager, ABC Metal Tools Company 7, Vashist Complex, Malad East, Mumbai, along with scanned copies of necessary certificates within a week. Then let's see the second sample here. Now here second sample is about what? To draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words. Remember that you have to write this advertisement in 50 words. Now to let column. What is to let? To let means you want to give something on hire. So you want to let out a portion of your newly built house. So to let, available 1500 square feet ground floor of a newly built house in Swasthya Vihar with 2 spacious bedrooms, attached bathrooms, drawing cum dining room, kitchen and interiors. Rent expected rupees 7,000. Interested persons may please contact. Then the address. Anurag Swasthya Vihar, New Delhi. Phone number, email ID is also given there. So likewise, you can draft classified advertisement. Now here, this is a very important one. Now, what all information is required if it's a situation vacant classified advertisement? So this one, you go through it well so that you will get the idea that this information is required if you are drafting advertisement regarding vacancy, like situation vacant, that will be the heading. Then what you have to write? Specify the post, which job it is, number of vacancies there in your organization, qualities of the person required, what do you expect from that person, what education qualification he should possess, name of the company, age and sex of the candidate, pay scale, perks, mode of applying, all those details you can provide there in the case of situation vacant. Now let's see to let. Type of accommodation, number of rooms, whether it's independent or an apartment rent expected, type of tenant required, bank employee or small family. So what kind of tenant do you require? Then whom and when to contact, contact address. So all these details, if you are hiring your flat. Then vehicles for sale. Make, you should mention Maruti or Hyundai. The vehicle of which make, which company. Then model, particular year, in which year it has been bought, color, accessories, which particular model. Then year of manufacture, mileage, condition, whether it's in good condition, is there any problem with the vehicle. That also you can mention. Ownership details, price expected, contact address. Now property for sale, plot for sale, where it is located, area in square meters, name of the development authority, price expected, all that property for sale. Then house or flat for sale, the type of accommodation, number of rooms, floor, whether it's an independent or an apartment. Well, tuitions, kennel, packers and more, you can just go through that. Not very important from the examination point of view. But Any kind of question will appear, but quite often the kind of questions that appear will be related to vacancy of the job. Or lost and found, that also you can go through. Begin with lost or found, that will be the heading there. Either you can write lost or found. Description of the article, when and where the article was lost or found, reward for finding it, contact address and phone number. If you have lost something, usually it will be advertised in the newspaper. Well, now let us go to those questions which have appeared in the examination on classified advertisement. And if you go through old question papers, you will find that quite often the questions on classified advertisement have appeared in the examination. And that is the reason for this monthly test we have given importance to this classified advertisement. Now you are general manager, Hotel Dosa, Gurgaon. You need a lady front office assistant with sound knowledge of computers. She must be a graduate and good in communication skills with pleasing manners. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Gurgaon Times. This question has appeared in the year 2013 Delhi Board. Okay, let's see the answer. Now remember that first of all, what is required is heading. So heading is there, situation vacant. If you want, you can underline that. Then entire matter is in box. How it is written, just see here. It is written in phrases. Required a female front office assistant with sound knowledge of computers in Hotel Dosa, Gurgaon. The candidate must be a graduate and good in communication skills with pleasing manners. Experienced applicant preferred. Salary negotiable. Interested candidates may submit their biodata before 10th March 2013 at Hotel Dosa reception. For further details, contact us at. So remember what all details should be there, what all necessary information should be there if it's a situation vacant classified advertisement. And this one is a very important one for the examination. Let's go to the another example. You have a 3-bedroom flat in Dwarka which you want to let out on rent. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Times of India under classified column contact. Then this question has appeared in the year 2013 All India level. Now let's see the answer. Now you can write to let or you can write heading as for rent. So any heading you can write to let or for rent. Available for rent a fully furnished 3-bedroom flat in Dwarka. A drawing hall and balconies on both sides. 24-hour water and electricity. Parking facility also available. Nearest metro station just 1 kilometer away. For further details, contact Mr. R. K. Sharma. Contact number you can write there. Now let's go to another question which has appeared in the year 2018. You are Harish, Harshita of 12, Seva Nagar, Pune. You want to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city for work. Remember here, this one is to sell the flat. For selling the flat, draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Pune Times under the classified columns. Now this kind of advertisement, the heading will be for sale. Flat number 12, Seva Nagar, Pune. Ground floor with 2 bedrooms having attached bathrooms. Car parking available. Park facing best location. Friendly neighbors. 24-hour power and water supply. Low maintenance charges and reasonable price. For further details, contact. Don't write both the names. You can write one of those names. If you are a boy, write Harish. If you are a girl, write Harshita. Or there is no problem, any of you can write any name. Both are acceptable. But don't write both the names. You are Ram or Rajni. Here also two names are given there, one boy and girl. You can write any of the names. Draft a classified advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in India Times for the sale of a used motor car, giving all the necessary details. Now remember, this question has appeared in the CBSE 2017 examination. For sale. Available black Maruti Swift Desire ZXi, year, that's a model, year 2016, self-driven, cautiously used, scratchless with a stereo and perfectly working air conditioner. Remember, you are advertising, so therefore it is always better to give good impression about your vehicle. So no scratches, beautiful upholstery, good condition. Interested may contact. So now let's see one more example, and this will be the last example. You are Karan Kumar or Karuna Bajaj, a leading lawyer practicing in Surat. You want to buy an independent house at City Light Road to be used as office cum residence. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the classified columns of a local newspaper. So this question has appeared in the year 2016. Now remember here, for purchase, that is the heading. So keep it in mind, heading you have to write for classified advertisement. Entire matter, it has to be in a box. Whatever you are writing, you should write in brief manner, and that too you should write in phrases. Independent house at City Light Road to be used as office cum residence. Medium sized, so all in points, preferably the corner one, fully furnished and ready to move in. Reasonably priced. Interested may contact Karan Kumar or Karuna Bajaj. So in the case of classified advertisement, you have to write in a box. You should write heading. That heading, whatever you are writing, that should be that kind of heading which is usually used in the classified advertisement. And here the language has to be very simple, straightforward. Remember, you have to write in the form of points and in brief. You should use 50 words. So it should be in 50 words. What all are required in the case of classified advertisement? Heading. Whatever you want to convey, that necessary information should be in brief, and the whole matter should be in 50 words. Entire thing you put it in a box. Thank you. Goodbye.